shut me down. Please just love me with your steel heart. I'd reboot you if you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time. I remember our software was compatible. I think I felt my circuit board ignite. You held my hand in your metallic grip. We may be machines, but I'm in love tonight.
Baby, there's something I have to say. I think it's time for my upgrade. I would look so good in version 2, but I promise it's me, not you.
Don't unplug me, or just shut me down. Please just love me with your steel heart. I'd reboot you if you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time. Can you hear me? You haven't moved an inch. Is the system failure? What should I do? Your new interface, it seems to have some bugs. You're not responding. You.
Hello and welcome to version 2. Tell me, what can I do for you? What is a hug that does not compute? Please stand by for my system reboot.
Don't unplug me, or just shut me down. Please just love me with your steel heart.